Hi guys, welcome back to FON-RAIN channel and Facebook page FON-RAIN English. In this lesson, we are going to practice speaking about color, like and dislike. Before we jump into sentences, you should know vocabulary first. Yellow, yellow. Pink, pink. Purple, purple. Black, black. Red, red. White, white. Brown, brown. Orange, orange. Blue, blue. Green, green. Gray, gray. Light blue, light blue. Let's practice speaking sentences. What color do you like? What color do you like? I like pink. I like pink. What color do you like? What color do you like? I like yellow. I like yellow. What color do you like? What color do you like? We like black. We like black. What color does she like? What color does she like? She likes white. She likes white. What color does he like? What color does he like? He likes green. He likes green. What color does Nisha like? What color does Nisha like? She loves orange. She loves orange. What color do you dislike? What color do you dislike? I dislike gray. I dislike gray. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. What is his favorite color? What is his favorite color? His favorite color is purple. His favorite color is purple. Do you like red? Do you like red? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do like red. Yes, I do like red. Do you like green? Do you like green? No, I don't like. No, I don't like. No, I don't like green. No, I don't like green. Does Taptim like white? Does Taptim like white? Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Yes, she does like white. Yes, she does like white. Does he like black? Does he like black? No, he does not. No, he does not. No, he doesn't like black. No, he doesn't like black. I like yellow. I like yellow. I love pink. I love pink. I do not like blue. I do not like blue. I don't like blue. I don't like blue. She loves green. She loves green. She likes green. She likes green. He loves black. He loves black. He hates pink. He hates pink. He hates pink. They dislike orange. They dislike orange. They hate light blue. They hate light blue. My favorite color is yellow. My favorite color is yellow. Her favorite color is black. Her favorite color is black. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.